You know, my fridge is never really full, but it's not empty either. It's just enough. I open it and already know what's inside. Eggs, maybe some cheese, leftovers from yesterday. Something simple that can last a little longer. I don't keep a lot. I can't afford to. But I also don't waste anything. If it's there, it gets eaten. Eventually. Sometimes it looks a bit sad. Not the kind of fridge you'd show anyone. But it works. There's always something I can put together. Even if it's just something small. Something warm. Something that feels like I'm still in control. And when I have a little extra money, I stock up. Flour, pasta, rice, canned food, things that don't go bad, things that wait. So even on harder days, I know I won't be hungry. I stand there sometimes with the door open, just looking. Not because I'm searching, but because I'm thinking about how little it takes to get through a day, and how much thought goes into that little. It's not much, but it's mine. And somehow, it's enough.